Here we are again. It's January the 11th, 2011, and we got some more snow here in St. Louis. As you can see the house here, I've shoveled the walk, and as you can also see, there's still a few flurries. You can see the fine flakes, come between here and the house. I'll just kind of pan around and show you what we got here. Kind of windy, so pardon some of the rumbling noise in the mic, because I'm sure this mic is picking up quite a bit of the wind noise too. Okay. I haven't scraped my truck off yet, but really I don't plan to go anywhere today. That's the beauty of being retired. You don't have to get out and go anymore, so that you can just stay home and be cozy. Of course, I'm not cozy right now as I'm taking pictures, but nevertheless, I like to get out once in a while just to get a little bit of breath of fresh air. The streets are relatively clear here because they put down brine, the MoDOT people, Missouri Department of Transportation, in St. Louis County, so that helps a lot as far as getting around in case you have to go somewhere. Okay, this is across the street here. Just kind of slowly pan on around. My hands are getting a little cold here, but nevertheless, it's beautiful out here. It's a winter wonderland. We had snow over Christmas, Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. That melted off, and now here we got a fresh crop of snow. It's supposed to stay cold for the next 2 or 3 days, and tonight I think it's going to get down to about 8 or 9 degrees. I don't know what it's going to get down tomorrow night, probably down close to 0, or maybe even below, who knows. This is looking due north down our street here. You can see a wind's blowing one of the neighbor's garbage cans. Today was garbage pickup day, so a lot of people that haven't got home from work yet, kids home from school, they haven't pulled the cans in yet, so you're seeing a few cans blowing around. Now I'm kind of shooting into that brisk, blustery north wind, so pardon the thunderous noise as the mic picks up the wind. Okay, I'll kind of walk over here, pardon the shakiness. My wife's car, I did get out and clear it off earlier, just in case, an emergency, in case we would have to go somewhere, but hopefully we won't. It's between 2:30 and 3 o'clock in the afternoon. Hopefully we won't have to go anywhere. So this is back, looking back into the house. And I'm going to go back inside and get warm. Okay, I'm going to walk slowly. Be careful I don't fall and hurt myself. Head straight as a die for that front door and that nice cozy house, because it's cold out here. Okay. Here's Misty. She doesn't have to get out in that snow. She's so fortunate. She doesn't realize how well off she is compared to a lot of kitties out there. She's my cat. She's a man's cat. I love this guy. How you doing, Misty? It's nice and cozy inside. Never been outside. Strictly an indoor cat. Look at her sweet face. That's Misty. Here we are back inside the house in our nice cozy master bedroom where it's 72 degrees. Looking out to the south and west out over the rest of the subdivision and toward the Black Forest area, which is an apartment complex condo subdivision adjacent to ours. As you can see, these swimming pools here have all been winterized, but it's a beautiful winter landscape. Let's pan on around. Looking toward the neighbor's house and their deck. I'm going to kind of pan back around. Pardon the dirty window, but it's too cold to get out and too high up right now to reach from the ground to clean these windows. Very beautiful indeed.